Okay, now it's time to start working on our animations because right now our player doesn't have any animations attached to, but our player comes with some animations. So if we open this low poly, it has this animation folder, and we have three animations here. And also I added this jumping animation because it was not included in this low poly soldier. And by the way, if you download this low poly soldier from the Unity asset store and not from my video, you will not have this jumping animation. But don't worry about it, I'll show you how to animate your players very easily in the next video probably. But for now, let's work on animations. Now, if we select the soldier, it has this animator component by default, but it doesn't have controller. As you see, it says none. So let's go in the animations folder, and the first thing that we will do, we will create controller for our animation. So right click, create, and here we will find animator controller. Let's call this one player, and let's select soldier, and I will drag this player controller here in this field. So let's drag and drop it. Oh, my bad. Let's close this tab for a moment. Now, if we select this player and if we double click, this animator window should be opened. If for some reason in your case it's not opening, you can go in window, animation, and animator, and it should be opened. Now, basically here we can add some animation clips. Now, first of all, we have these three prefabs, as you see. Let's open first one. Let's click on this drop down, and let's drag this animation clip. This triangle is animation clip basically. So let's drag and drop here in the animation window. So let's drag and drop, and as you see, it says demo combat idle. Basically, it's idle animation. And for example, if we hit play now, our player will already have idle animation. You see, our player's gun is in the hands correctly, and also it moves just a little bit. It's in the idle state. Also, if you noticed, actually, let's add second animation. So let's open the second one. Let's drag this animation clip, and also let's do same for the third one. Let's drag and drop it here. And also I will go in models and I will add jumping. By the way, this jumping might be in the animations as well. So here might be 4 animations. Probably I will add it here. So don't get confused. But right now I have right here, but doesn't really matter. I will just drag and drop it right here. And it says mixamo.com. So let's change name to be jump, not to get confused. Anyway, now we have animation clips, but only one of them is orange, as you see. And when the animation clip is orange, it means that it's just a default state. So when the game starts, we will be in that state. In this case, we should be in idle state, so it's completely fine. But if you, for example, will add the run first, run will be our default state, and you will see something like this. Or if you add something else first, for example, jumping, you will have shooting. You will have shooting first, and when you hit play, our player will be in the shooting state, and that's not exactly what we want, where it shoots once and it stops. But anyway, but don't worry about it. You just need to click on the idle again and click on the set as layer default state. And that's pretty much it. Now that we have animations, in the next video, we will create some transitions between animations, and I will teach you how to work with them.